Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the internet civic engagement. Learning objective is to describe the differences between the civic engagement and internet and to identify the purposes. So, let's start with the civic engagement. Civic engagement have four categories: the political activism, environmentalism, community engagement, and national service. So let's go back to the definition of civic engagement. So what is civic engagement? Civic engagement pertains to the works or activities of an individual or a group of people concerned about the civic values of the community. So civic engagement, yes, have four categories that includes both paid and unpaid forms. So first category is the political activism. Political activism is a kind of political participation that includes a broad range of activities which people develop and express their opinions on the world and how it is governed and trying to take part in and shapes the decisions that affect their lives. So, as we can see in the photos, recap during the politics. So, and the second category is environmentalism. It embodies a variety of emphasis and methods while serving a complement to environmental regulations that includes community problem solving, state and local government projects, and a variety of federal programs. And the third category is the community engagement. It is the process of working collaboratively with and through groups of people affiliated by geographic proximity, special interest, or similar situation to address issues affecting the well-being of those people. It is a powerful vehicle for bringing about environmental and behavioral changes. So, as we can see, the community engagement serves in our community. They are voluntarily serve our community to help everyone and or the other people. And the fourth category is the national service. It is a system of either compulsory or voluntary government services, usually military service. Military service is like a offered course during our first year college. In our first year college in Buena Vista Community College, they offered a National Service Training Program, or NSTP, and I prepared for the Reserve Officer Training Course, or ROTC, because I want to train and develop college students in the rudiments of military service in order to produce capable armed forces of the Philippines reservists and train officers and enlisted personnel for the reserve components of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP. So, let's tackle about the internet. So, what is internet? Internet, it is a several single or cluster commotion that talks about civic issues as well as working with the help of each other, whether actions are related to politics or not with regards in using internet. So, the impact of these new tools on the future of online political involvement depends in large part upon what happens as this young cohort of digital natives gets older. The question is, are we witnessing a life cycle phenomenon that will change as these younger users age? Will the civic divide close, or will rapidly evolving technologies continue to learn behind those with lower levels of education and income? So, internet is very broad, and it's how we use the internet, and it is very helpful. Just like now in our pandemic school, we are in our online class. In addition of my discussion, using internet are even more active than those who do not use the internet at all. And that's all I can discuss. Hopefully, you gathered some information and learned the topic I delivered in. So, thank you and have a good day.